Brazil, a land of opportunities. Brazil is a very large country. Because of its fast growth, it has become one of the major economies in the world. And in this scenario, the country's youngest state gains importance. Thanks to massive capital investments and high-quality professional management, the state of Tocantins has been consolidating its strength in Brazil's heartland. And it's also becoming a benchmark for the sustainable forest business. It is a new model for sustainable development, and it has attracted large investments and projects. In Tocantins, GMR has found the excellent conditions for its forest business. Proper soil, favorable climate, and topography are some of the advantages the state provides for sustainable forestry projects. Tocantins is strategically located close to the major centers with high consumption potential in the north and northeast of Brazil. There have already been massive investments in the logistics structure, but the government and the private sector continue to invest. 2 federal railway systems are under construction and will connect the state to the ports of Itaqui, Maranhão, and Ilhéus, Bahia. With so many navigable rivers, Tocantins soon will be linked to the Brazilian Midwest, as well as southern Pará and Porto de Vila do Conde in Barcarena through the Araguaia-Tocantins waterway. In addition, there are a number of roads in the area, all of them paved and well maintained. In order to invest in Tocantins, GMR Florestal conducted the most comprehensive environmental study in the southeast, an area of 1.8 million hectares. The company is more than ready to move forward with its project of planting 200,000 hectares of sustainably managed forests, totaling 400,000 hectares of acquired land. Since 2007, in the state, GMR Florestal has more than 200 employees working at its offices in the region. In partnership with consultants and research institutes, all genetic improvement for obtaining clones adapted to the region are being developed. GMR Florestal is carrying out the georeferencing to all of its areas. GMR uses state-of-the-art technology and modern ideas for sustainability, which ensures the rational use of natural resources. Every procedure conducted by the forest units meets the requirements for ISO 14001 environmental certification, as well as for FSC and Serflor forest certification. Sponsoring the company, there is a solid group with over 35 years of history and experienced in 2 of the most important segments of the global economy, real estate and power. GMR Empreendimentos operates the major cities of São Paulo and stands out for its excellence in construction. GMR Energy invests and manages several projects to generate exclusively renewable energy. The group holding is located in São Paulo, the largest economic and financial hub of Latin America. Anticipating growth opportunities in Brazil, GMR Florestal conducts its projects oriented by the highest standards of corporate governance, valuing people and respecting communities and the environment. Soon, GMR Florestal will become the largest eucalyptus producer of Tocantins and stimulate the creation of an industrial park in Brazil's heartland.